Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to make a conference call on WhatsApp. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and also check for an update. In order to update your application, head over to your Play Store and on the search box, type in WhatsApp. So right over here, you need to check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated. Now, after you're done updating your application, click on the open button. And once you're on this page, what you need to do is now open up the chat page of the person that you wish to contact. In order to add it to a conference, you'll need to click on the plus icon located right on top as soon as this particular contact receives your call. Click on the plus icon located right on top in order to add the other participant into your call. Now select the contact that you wish to add just by tapping on it, and as you can see, there is a confirmation stating that whether you want to add a contact or not. So as you can see that the contact has been added to a conference call, and in this way you can add a contact into your conference call. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.